Hey, what's up, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Elle Ross. I am a holistic fitness, branding, and lifestyle coach. And today, the focus is branding. What are we going to talk about today? We are going to cover the top 10 tips to scale on social media for your business, for your brand, and whatever it is you're passionate about to help you truly scale and leverage your brand and generate income, increasing your impact, income, and influence. So, step number one. First, you want to find out what is your niche. What do you want to focus on? What are you most passionate about? Are you a real estate agent? Are you a photographer? Are you a do-it-yourself with projects? Are you into fitness? Are you into marketing? What is it that you are going to focus on and create a niche just for you and your brand and business? Mine personally was fitness, and now it is teaching other fitnesspreneurs, trainers, and health coaches how to scale and leverage your personal brand and grow on social media. Next, you want to clearly define your brand story. And how do you do that? First, you want to focus on what are your three main focuses within your niche. For example, mine is fitness and nutrition, so hence the Be Fit with Elle, along with incorporating a proper mindset, having self-love, as well as brand coaching. And then you want to identify what are your values. So for me, it's being your authentic self and showing true transparency, being the real you, along with being supportive to you and adding value and showing enthusiasm every time I show up in front of the camera, every time I show up in front of a client, just being enthusiastic at all times. Next, what are going to be your key words? So once you define your niche and your brand story, how are clients going to find you? So for example, me, fitness. If I'm posting a workout, I'll put a hashtag or in my search engine optimization with my website, which we'll get to later, how to work out, ab workout, core workout, leg workout, glute workout, arm workout. Or if you're in real estate, how to sell your first house. Just keywords that your audience is going to search. So just think about you. When you type into Google and you're looking for something, in Google you type in personal trainer, if you're looking for a personal trainer, and then tons of personal trainers come up. So you want to use keywords that are in correlation with your brand and your business. Next, bio. In your bio on Instagram, what does it say? This is going to be key. It should state exactly who you are, what you're about, and what you have to offer your clients. It shouldn't just be, I love ice cream. Whatever it is you specialize in, you want it to be clearly identified within your bio. Also within your bio, you want to have an external link. That way, when they go click that link, they can learn more about you, what you offer, your business, or you can direct them directly to a clickbait, a value option, where they opt in, and that's going to help generate leads, which turn into clients. Which we cover all of this within my 8-week 6-figure brand blueprint masterclass. So if you haven't already opted in or you're looking to learn more, make sure to click the link below. Next, profile image. You want to be seen. So when someone comes across your page, you want it to be vibrant, right? Show your personality. So that way when they want to click on you, you don't just want it to be a logo or an image of something. You want it to be you, the face of the brand. Next, 7, photos and videos. You want to have your page be in sync with your brand. So when people are scrolling, everything is in correlation to your core values and what it is you do and what you represent as your brand niche. And if you don't already have about 12 images, which you should have at least 12, that's what's going to make your Instagram look like a full profile. Go ahead and download the preview app, which I will connect and link below. Where there you can actually go ahead and pre-plan images to see exactly what the layout of your Instagram profile will look like. And then once you have that down, go ahead, post every single day. And then once you have that down, create a content calendar and strategy for when you are going to post. That could be once a week, that could be twice a week, 3 times a week, or every single day. But you want to have a calendar strategy of exactly what you will post, how you will post, why you will post, with call to actions on everything, if you can. And again, all this is going to be covered in more detail in my 6-figure brand blueprint masterclass. Number 8, hashtags. So it's key that you have hashtags on every post, and you don't necessarily have to put it within the post description, but you can add it as a comment. That's a little helpful tip after you post. And you want to have relevant hashtags that are related to your brand and your business. It's also very helpful to go to and search what clients might look for in regards to the hashtags you post, and then go ahead and follow those hashtags. So that way they will naturally pop up within your feed when other people are clicking them, and then you can go through there and engage with that audience, which is your ideal client, which again we will cover in my 6-figure brand blueprint masterclass. And number 9, engage. Once you figured out the hashtags, you want to constantly be engaging with your audience on a daily basis. So if they're liking your pictures, if they're commenting, make sure to respond. If people are DMing you, make sure to respond. The more you engage, the more you will grow and increase your following. That following turns into leads, that turns into clients, which is the goal at the end of the day. And lastly, number 10, Instagram stories. If you're not already using this every single day, this is a must. Unlike regular Instagram analytics, Instagram stories pops up on your header feed in chronological order, which means the more you're posting in your story, the more you're naturally going to pop up in the front of the list where people are going to click and watch whatever it is that you have to offer. And your story should be engaging. They shouldn't be boring. It should show your personality, what you do, what you offer, and be engaging in the facts, like in the sense where you are asking your audience questions for them to engage, and then therefore they're now DMing you and reaching out and asking you questions that you can then respond to and direct them over to whatever product or service that you are offering. So I know this sounds like a lot, but really it's not. Once you get down packed, you'll get into a system, you'll get into a groove, and remember, it takes sweat equity, time and time again. You're going to have to put in the work. It's your dreams, your brand. It's not going to build itself. So you want to make sure that you're actively on there. And then also sharing your Instagram on other social platforms, on YouTube, on Facebook, on your website. If you don't have one, we will help create you one within my 6-figure brand masterclass. But again, sweat equity is key. Success with every action taken. So again, be consistent when you're posting and sharing. And just to recap again, what's your niche? Define it. Clearly have a defined brand story, which I'm going to offer a free PDF guide below to help you identify what your brand story is. Make sure to have keywords. Bio, do you have the facts that talk about who your brand is? Do you have an external link? It's time to get one. And also, if you don't have a website, GoDaddy, super simple, $11. You can create a website that clearly describes exactly who your brand is, like thelross.com or 6figurebrandblueprint.com. Super easy to remember, and it represents who you are and what your brand is. 7, photos and videos. 8, hashtags. 9, engage always. And lastly, 10 again, Instagram stories. So I hope that you found this information helpful and useful today, that you can go ahead and implement immediately. As soon as you stop this video, make sure to go through your Instagram account and see if you already are implementing these 10 steps. If not, go ahead and start doing so this week. Please comment below any suggestions, feedback, like, share, subscribe, and I look forward to sharing the next branding tip video with you. Until then, I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.